In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Illustrator error where you can't move objects on your artboard. This is a surprisingly common issue in Adobe Illustrator, and it can happen for several different reasons. Sometimes your objects are locked, sometimes you're stuck in isolation mode, sometimes the bounding box is hidden, and in other cases, Illustrator is simply selecting paths differently than you expect. The good news is that every one of these problems has a quick fix, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to diagnose and solve it in seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Illustrator tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and fix the problem. The first thing you should check is whether the object or layer is locked. Locked objects cannot be moved, edited, or selected properly, and this is one of the most common reasons people think Illustrator is broken. To quickly unlock everything on your artboard, go to the top menu and click Object, then choose Unlock All. If objects were locked, this will instantly allow you to move them again. However, sometimes the Unlock All option will appear grayed out. If that happens, the lock may exist at the layer level instead. To check this, open the Layers panel. You can do this quickly by pressing F7 on your keyboard. Inside the Layers panel, look for small padlock icons next to layers or sublayers. If you see any of those lock icons, simply click them to unlock the layer. Once the layer is unlocked, try selecting your object again and dragging it. In many cases, this immediately fixes the issue. If your layers are not locked and you still cannot move objects, the next thing to check is isolation mode. Isolation mode is a feature in Illustrator that allows you to edit a specific group or object without affecting the rest of the artwork. When this mode is active, everything outside the isolated object becomes dimmed and unclickable. Many users accidentally enter this mode by double-clicking an object or group. When that happens, it can look like Illustrator has frozen or stopped responding. To exit isolation mode, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. You can also double-click on an empty area of the artboard. As soon as you exit isolation mode, all of your objects should become selectable and movable again. Another possible reason you can't move objects is that your bounding box is hidden. The bounding box is the rectangular outline that appears around an object when it's selected, and it allows you to move, scale, and rotate the object easily. If the bounding box is turned off, you may still be able to select the object, but dragging it might not behave the way you expect. To fix this, go to the top menu and click View, then select Show Bounding Box. You can also use the shortcut Command-Shift-B on Mac or Control-Shift-B on Windows. Once the bounding box appears again, try clicking and dragging your object, and it should move normally. Another situation that confuses many Illustrator users happens when an object has no fill color. If an object has only a stroke and no fill, Illustrator requires you to click directly on the path or edge of the object in order to select and move it. Clicking inside the shape will not work because Illustrator treats that area as empty space. This can make it seem like the object cannot be moved. To fix this, you can simply add a fill color to the object so it becomes easier to select. Another option is to change a setting inside Illustrator Preferences. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and open Selection and Anchor Display. Inside this menu, you may see an option called Object Selection by Path Only. If this option is enabled, Illustrator will only allow you to select objects by clicking directly on their path. Unchecking this option makes object selection much easier and allows you to click inside shapes to move them. So if you ever run into the issue where you can't move objects in Illustrator, remember these quick fixes. First, check for locked objects or locked layers. Then, make sure you're not stuck in isolation mode. After that, confirm that your bounding box is visible. And finally, check whether the object has a fill color or whether the path-only selection setting is enabled. One of these fixes will solve the problem almost every time. And that's it. That's how to fix the Illustrator error where you can't move objects. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips, quick fixes, and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.